Discovering family bonds, a focus on grandchildren. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of family and relationships. Specifically, we're going to focus on grandchildren, which refers to a grandson and a granddaughter. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Grandchildren are the children of your own children. If your child has a son or a daughter, that boy or girl is your grandchild. The term grandchild is gender neutral, but if you want to be specific, you can use the terms grandson for a boy and granddaughter for a girl. Now, let's use these words in some sentences. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language. 1. My grandson loves playing soccer. 2. I am going to visit my granddaughter this weekend. 3. My grandparents are always excited to see their grandchildren. Remember, it's all about context. The context will help you understand whether you should use grandson, granddaughter, or grandchildren. Let's look at how to use these words in questions. This is a great way to expand your vocabulary and your conversational skills. 1. Do your grandchildren live with you? 2. How old is your grandson? 3. What does your granddaughter like to do in her spare time? You can see how these questions open up conversation about the family. These are excellent conversation starters when you're getting to know someone. That's a wrap for today's topic, everyone. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of grandchildren. By now, you should be more familiar with the words grandson, granddaughter, and grandchildren, and how to use them in sentences and questions. Keep practicing, and don't forget to explore the rest of our family vocabulary. Thank you for joining us, and as always, happy language learning.